So Claude is capable of building faceless YouTube videos that you can upload to a channel that has the potential of being monetized as long as you know how to use it in the right way. Now, one thing that I always say is that I've noticed so many different videos on this platform showing you how to use Claude to create all of these different videos, but one of the main issues with them is that they're overcomplicated and they're not really good for beginners that are just getting started. You've probably gone onto YouTube, typed in how to use Claude to create a faceless video, and what you've watched is various different steps where you need to install this, you need to download that, you need to have a basic understanding of how coding works. When the honest truth is, it doesn't need to be that difficult, and I believe I found one of the best and most simplest ways of being able to use one of the most powerful AI tools right now, which is Claude, to help you create faceless videos. And not just that, it's going to be able to help you create your actual channel. There's a way that you can use the Claude interface to create the images that you're going to need, e.g. your profile picture, the banner for your channel. You can also use it to create the fully edited video as well. But you don't need to use Claude Code. You don't need to download any Visual Studio or anything like that. Everything is going to be done directly on this platform using a few prompts. And my goal today is to try and keep everything straightforward so that by the end of it, you have a clear understanding as to how you can get started. Now, if you're someone that doesn't already have your Faceless channel up and running yet, and maybe you're confused as to which type of channel you're going to start, what you can do is just give Claude a very basic prompt. So what I'm going to do is start it off very simple. What I'm going to say is, I want to start a faceless YouTube channel. Can you give me 10 best niches that are trending right now? For those of you that don't understand why a niche is important, is because when you first get started, you need to make sure that your channel is focused on a central topic, because this is going to help you grow in the best way, because you're going to be able to attract a certain group of viewers, and those viewers are going to keep coming back. But more importantly, YouTube is going to know who to show your videos to. The mistake that you want to avoid is trying to make content to reach everybody, because all that's going to happen is that you're going to end up reaching no one. So yeah, it's very important to make sure that you focus on a specific niche, but more importantly, you want to try and find a niche that's doing well right now, and it's also been doing well for the past few months, for the past couple years. So let's see exactly what Claude is going to come back with. Okay, there we go. As you guys can see, it's now coming back with this entire list. So from here, what I would advise you to do is look through it and see if there's a particular topic that stands out to you. It's always good for you to pick something that, number one, you're interested in, and number two, you have a little bit more knowledge than the common person. You don't need to be the smartest person ever when it comes to the niche. You just need to make sure that you're passionate about it and you're someone that believes that they've got a little bit more knowledge than someone else, even though you're going to be using AI to assist you, because if you're able to pair your knowledge with AI, you're going to be able to find gaps and ultimately make the best content for your viewers. So as we can see, it's come back with a decent list. We've got things like AI tools, business documentaries, true crime, health and wellness, and there's also this niche over here called stoicism. And I'm going to be honest with you, stoicism is something that I've researched here and there, but I wouldn't necessarily start a whole channel about it. But what I am going to do is go over to Google Trends. My recommendation is to always go over to Google Trends, because they've updated it, they've connected it directly to Gemini, and there's ways that you can also use it to tap into YouTube's search data as well. So what I'm going to do is just type in stoicism in here just like this, and then click on explore. And then what I'm going to do is change this drop down menu from web search, which is the regular Google search, to YouTube search. And again, this is where I'm going to be able to see YouTube's search data. And we can see ever since 2020, which was around 6 years ago now, more and more people consistently go onto YouTube to search for this keyword. And I believe right now we're currently at an all-time high. So yeah, just like that, I've been able to find out what niche I could potentially start my channel in. So now that I know that I'm going to move forward with stoicism for this example anyway, I'm going to move on to one of the next questions, which is going to be this one. All this says is, can you give me 10 channels within the stoicism niche that are faceless channels with a simple format that also do well? Now, the only reason why we're asking Claude this particular question is because if you're able to find a channel that is making content within your niche, they're also faceless, they have a similar format to what you want to do, and they're also successful, I would say that this is going to be a winning formula. The reason for that is you're going to be able to see exactly what they're doing, what's allowing them to be successful, so that you can potentially replicate certain aspects for yourself. Now, I'm not saying that you should outright copy them, because this isn't the way to grow any channel. I'm not a believer that you should go into YouTube, see what's working, and then just copy everything they're doing word for word, because this isn't going to get you anywhere. It's always good for you to have your own unique angle and try and put your own spin on things, but at the same time, it is good to look at big channels that are successful so that you can see certain things that you can do for you to grow to a certain point. So yeah, let's see what channels Claude comes back with. Okay, so it's loading, it's searching all of these different websites, and there we go. These are the different channels that it's come back with. And from this point, what you can now do is click into any of these channels. So let me try this one over here. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, this is what looks to be a very simple Stoic based channel. They've grown a lot in recent years. We can see that they've got over 24 million views. The channel is completely faceless. There's no real person in the profile picture. And we can see that they have these different animated graphics of Marcus Aurelius, which is the founder or the person that led Stoicism to my knowledge. So yeah, they're doing really well. If I click into videos and then click on the most popular, we can see that many of their videos have been able to get millions of views. So this is the basic type of research that you want to do. Now, there is a more effective way of being able to find faceless channels within your niche. What I'm going to do is go over to this tool over here called Digital Maker AI. And it is important to know that this is what you're going to use to essentially power Claude so that it generates videos directly within the chat. Now, returning viewers would already know what Digital Maker AI is and what it's capable of doing. I would say that it's one of the best and most simplistic AI faceless channel builders that are out there. It can create the channel for you. It can also create the videos. It guides you through everything. It builds out the prompts. You know, it's a very straightforward online software that anyone should be using. But there's been a recent update with it where you can now use the Digital Maker AI MCP and connect it directly to your Claude account. This means that you don't necessarily need to log into Digital Maker AI for you to take certain actions, whether that's creating your thumbnails, creating your images, creating your videos. You can do it directly within Claude. I personally don't know of any other video maker that's able to do what this one is capable of doing, and I'm going to walk you through it. But first things first, what you need to do if you don't already have an account is just click on Get Started for free. And by the way, I'm going to leave a direct link to it at the top of my description down below, along with a coupon code in case you want to upgrade to any of the plans that you need for you to generate your faceless videos. Just make sure that you sign up using either your Gmail or a regular email address. And once you log in, you're going to see a similar interface to this. There's going to be this feature over here called Faceless Finder. And the reason why this is powerful is because what you're able to do is click into this drop down menu over here and you can sort it by all of these different niches. And what you're also able to do is type in the keyword for your niche as well. So what I'm going to do is just type in Stoicism just like that. And we can see that there's 25 different faceless channels. And I'm also able to sort them from subscribers high to low. There's all of these different filters that you can set when it comes to sorting them as well. But here we go. These are all of the different faceless channels that are out there right now. There's probably some others because the Faceless Finder is being updated on a regular basis. But this is definitely a feature that's worth trying, because what I'm now able to do is that I can scroll through it and I can click into any of these different channels. So let me click into this one over here that seems to be bringing in a decent amount of estimated AdSense revenue on a monthly basis. So this is the channel over here. And if I sort the videos from least popular or most popular, we can see that just 4 weeks ago, they were able to get over 119,000 views. 12 days ago, they got over 112K views. Again, 1 month ago, they were able to get 103K views. So this is definitely a channel that's doing really well. Videos are blowing up left, right, and center. And I'm going to use this channel when it comes to replicating their style, replicating the types of videos that they're making. Again, putting my own unique spin on it. But let's check out their most popular video. So there's a couple things that I want to point out about this video. Firstly, it's the format. As you can see, it's very simple. They've got this animated image of the statue on the right hand side, and they've got text on the left hand side. That's all it is throughout the whole video. There's no other scenes, and this type of format does really well depending on what niche you're in. I would say mainly in an educational niche, you're going to be able to use this format. So yeah, this is the video format that I'm going to use for the channel that I'm about to build right now, using Claude alongside the Digital Maker AI MCP. So what we're going to do is just go back over to Claude. And there's going to be a couple different things that you need to do for you to build out your channel, as well as make sure that you've set things up accurately so that you can create fully edited videos right here in the chat. And it's going to come down to adding the correct connector. So what you're going to do from here is just click on the plus icon. You're going to go over here to where it says connectors and then click on add connector and then click on add custom connector. And what you need to do is fill out these two fields where it says name and remote MCP server URL. And for you to get this information, you're going to do so by going directly to your Digital Maker AI account. Do bear in mind that you need to make sure that you upgrade your account to either Premium or Ultimate. As you can see, I'm currently using Ultimate right there. So what I'm going to do is just go over here to settings and then click on Claude MCP at the top. And from here, you just need to click on create a key. And what it's then going to show you is the name as well as the URL. Now I'm going to blur out part of it because this is something that you need to make sure that you don't share with anyone. It's got your API key for your account directly in it. And if you give it to anyone else other than Claude, what's going to happen is that someone might be able to use your account. So just copy the link just like this, paste it in there just like that. Again, I'm going to block it out on the screen and I'm just going to type in the name, which is Digital Maker AI. Leave everything else blank and then click on add. And then what should happen from there once everything is connected is that if you go over here to the plus icon, click on connectors, you should see Digital Maker AI enabled. So what I'm going to do is just paste this prompt in here just like this. And what I'm asking Claude to do with the help of Digital Maker AI is to create a banner and profile picture for my YouTube channel. So this is something that you can do if you don't already have your channel set up yet. You're actually able to create all of your images now directly within Claude. I've given it some basic instructions. I've told it what I want it to look like. I've also given it the name of this demonstration channel. It's going to be called the Smart Stoic. I've given it the theme. I want it to be white and black. I also want it to have an image of Marcus Aurelius. So yeah, this is the type of prompt that you might want to enter. Again, make sure that you've turned on the Digital Maker AI MCP. Also make sure that you're on the highest version of Claude. In this case, I'm using Opus 5 and then I'm going to click on enter. And then what's going to happen is that there's going to be this pop-up that's going to ask you, do you want to give Digital Maker AI the permission to generate your images? You can either click always allow or you can click allow once. I'm just going to click always allow in this case and let it get straight to work. And what should then happen is that it's going to let you know that everything has been completed and it's going to be saved directly in your Digital Maker AI library. But if you wanted Claude to give you the direct link, you can also enter this prompt over here. As you can see, it's giving me both links. So let's just check them out now. Let me click into this one. Okay, so this is the banner. Doesn't look bad at all. I could definitely use this one. Let me check out the profile image. Okay, this one's not bad at all as well. Of course, there may be some changes that I want to make, but there we go. I've got the banner as well as the profile image. So yeah, that's one simple example as to how you can use the MCP to help you create your channel, because from this point, what I'm now able to do is take this banner and this profile image, go over to the YouTube studio, create a brand new account, and then upload it so that I've got a professional looking channel. And I do have another video coming out real soon where I'm going to be able to expand on how you can create your channel from scratch, everything that goes into it. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. But moving on to one of the next things, or one of the next steps to take when it comes to being able to get your channel ready, which is going to come down to creating the actual video that you're going to upload. And for this, what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of this video. I'm just going to get the video as well as the title in there, and I'm going to drag and drop it directly into Claude. And then what I'm going to do is give it this simple request. I'm going to say, I want to make a video like this. I want the video to be 5 minutes long. I want you to put subtitles, and I also want a similar statue on the right hand side. Remember guys, you can create the video directly in Claude by giving it instructions just like this. So I'm going to say that I want it to have a similar title as well. What it's doing is that it's going to start building everything on the back end. It's going to ask me to confirm if I want it to continue. I'm going to say yes. And what it should initially come back with is a preview of what the video is going to look like. So I'm just going to click into this link, take a look. Okay, so I'd say that this is a good foundation to work from. So the text is going to be on the left hand side. We can see the image on the right hand side. So I'm going to say yes, that it can proceed. I want it to build it. And I'm also going to say that I want it to have a US male voice as well. And right there, guys, as you can see directly in the chat, everything is now being built out. It's come back with an overview of what it's going to do. So I don't have to log into Digital Maker AI at this point. I'm going to be able to let it do its thing. The video is rendering and it shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. And what I'm able to do is ask it if the video is now complete. So I'm just going to enter this question. It's going to ask for permission to take a look at my account. I'm going to say yes. And there we go. The video is now done. And it's also giving me the link to the video as well. And it is important to know that Digital Maker AI is going to email you once the video is done. So as you can see over here, the video is ready. This is the title of the video and I can access it by clicking on this link. And once I click that link, what it's going to do is take me directly to this page where I'm able to make any adjustments that I need to make. So if I want to update the script in terms of what was said in the video, I'm able to do that. If I want to update the caption or subtitles, I'm able to do that as well. Any of the motions, effects that was done, I'm able to make any changes. And of course, I can download the MP4. But what I'm going to do is just play a short snippet of the video so that you guys can see exactly how it looks, how it sounds, so that you know what type of video you're going to be able to go away and make yourself.
The ancient Stoics understood something we're still learning today. Happiness isn't found in grand gestures or life-changing moments. It lives in the small choices you make every single day. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in Rome, spent his evenings writing reminders to himself about how to live well. And those reminders reveal 9 simple habits that the happiest people practice without thinking. Let's explore each one, and more importantly, how you can start today.
So yeah, guys, that's the video that it was able to come back with. I would say that it's pretty decent. The fact that I was able to do all of that directly within the Claude interface using the brand new MCP, it's going to make life so much more easier, because what I can now do is automate the process, generate multiple different videos, and basically schedule them far into the future so that I can pump out content on these different Faceless channels on a more consistent basis. And it goes without saying that if I wanted to use Claude and Digital Maker in terms of the MCP to generate a thumbnail that's going to go directly in the chat, I can do that as well. I'm going to show all of that in an upcoming video where I'm going to be able to spend a lot more time breaking down the fine details as to what goes into building up a Faceless channel as a complete beginner. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss all the future videos. Like this video if you like this type of content. Comment down below, let me know if you're going to be using the Digital Maker AI MCP. If you're already using Digital Maker AI, let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to respond to every single comment. If you're not using Digital Maker AI yet, don't forget there's going to be a direct link to it, top link in the description with that coupon code that's going to give you an additional discount to the discount that you're already going to get by using that link. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, well, in this video, I'm going to talk more on the monetization side of things, how you can actually earn from these type of channels through things like AdSense, digital products, methods that I don't really see anyone else talking about. You're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this, because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.